Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Wingstop problem with order. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in Wingstop, and then once it loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen. Once you are in your home screen, tap on the settings, and inside settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and now once you're inside the iPhone storage, here what you need to do is scroll down until you find the Wingstop app. And once you have found it, all you gotta do is simply tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. Now once the process is complete, go back and then try again and it will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.